So basically, it's about Vani and Avi. Vani is played by Kritika, Avi is played by Kunal, and it's a couple. And how when things start to fall apart, this one white shirt is holding them together. How it's holding them together, what does it do? For that, you have to watch the film.
Okay, Kunal, what was the first action the moment the maker of this film approached you for the role, and what was the director's brief to you?
Well, I actually really liked the story when I heard it, simply because, I think the sort of intimate, romantic drama that it is, it's the sort of film that you don't get to see anymore. And especially with short films and stuff, I think a lot of people that are making short films are constantly trying to be clever and, trying to have a twist in the end or surprise or, coming up with stories that are clever, which is also nice. But what I liked about this was that it was a straightforward, intimate, romantic drama, the sort of which I had not seen in a short film for sure.
Okay, Kritika, what was your reaction? And
I think quite similar. I also thought it was very simple yet beautiful, and there is a bit of like relatability. I think everybody has felt these emotions in life, and yeah, there are not too many simple stories said straight these days. So this is one of them, and yeah, I really liked it when I heard it, and then I got to know that he's a part of it, and it just sort of fell in place, and yeah.
I had my doubts about the director though.
Kunal, how you relate to the character which you played in White Collar?
Well, I think like she was saying, both the characters are really relatable. Actually, three of them. All three of them are really relatable. I think, when you're in a relationship and you break up, you hold on to little things.
Yeah.
Things that keep you connected to each other, which is the white shirt in this instance. And I think we've all been through that. Sometimes you're heartbroken, but you want to still reach out to the person, and you reach out for varied excuses. You make excuses about why you're calling the person because you want to hear the person's voice again. You want to feel connected to them again. So here the white shirt becomes, an instrument for them to be connected. So it was very relatable, and I think that's what's nice about the story, that it is simple, it is intimate, but it's also very, very, I think everybody out there will relate to this.
So see, I made the film because I really wanted to tell the story, because this was a story that was really close to my heart. So I told the story, I made this film with Kunal and Kritika, and then I was looking for a platform which is, a platform which can really present my short film in a very perfect way. So that's when I really approached this Royal Stag BioSelect Large Short Films platform, because I was always looking for, this platform was constantly giving opportunities to short filmmakers and also known filmmakers to, tell their stories in a very unique way. Because usually short films get lost in the crowd, and this platform was really helping them to really reach out to people. So yeah, I approached this, and here we are.
अच्छा, इसके अलावा आप दोनों से जानना चाहूँगा, आपने बड़े पर्दे पर काम किया है, आपने छोटे पर्दे पर काम किया है, तो शॉर्ट फिल्म करना कितना डिफिकल्ट रहा और कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, अगर इस बारे में कुछ बताना चाहे, क्योंकि कम टाइम में बहुत कुछ एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ता है शॉर्ट फिल्म में, तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
जी, आई थिंक वो सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग राइटर और डायरेक्टर के लिए होता है, क्योंकि आप अपनी बात कहने की कोशिश करें लेकिन आपके पास समय बहुत कम है। मुझे लगता है एक्टर के तौर पर मेरे लिए कोई फ़र्क नहीं है, चाहे मैं छोटे पर्दे पे कर रहा हूँ या बड़े पर्दे पे, या शॉर्ट फिल्म कर रहा हूँ या थिएटर कर रहा हूँ, अप्रोच हमेशा सेम रहता है। और चाहे वो कैरेक्टर हो, चाहे आप जो सीन्स कर रहे हो, उसका अप्रोच हमेशा सिमिलर रहता है। तो आई थिंक what is really challenging about short films is actually for the writer and director, because you're trying to say so much, but you're trying to say it in such a short period of time. And I have to say that Royal Stag Large Short Films is a fantastic platform, because I've seen such great work come on it. And I love the way they've promoted the films as well. And they've really pushed short films, which is, it's almost become like a small little parallel industry of its own.
Hub for short films.
For short films, for actors that want to try something new, the directors that want to tell new stories. So I think it's an amazing platform.
Okay, so please continue. Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, like he said, it was fairly, I think it was easy because Sumit made it really easy. It was written so well, and and then we did a couple of readings, and Kunal's great to work with, so it was all very easy. I think we're all easygoing people, so it happened quite smoothly, and yeah, even the shoot was very smooth. Yeah. So no hiccups.
मैम आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, हाल ही में एक्ट्रेस मलयालम एक्ट्रेस मोलेस्टेड हुआ मूविंग कार में, तो आप कैसे देखते हैं इस पूरी घटना को?
इस वक्त हम इस फिल्म के बारे में बात करते हैं.
Okay, Sumit, you know the way short films are going ahead. Now, for example, we have seen Chutney in Filmfare
Right,
Awards.
right.
Do you
Yeah.
think-
Same platform.
Same platform.
Same platform. Do you think it's a long way to go, and people started appreciating even a platform like Filmfare Awards?
Yeah, definitely. See, Filmfare now has a category for short films specifically. It means that people are taking it seriously now. The short film is not just the thing that people used to make for their own consumption. Now it has become a medium in itself where people are telling stories in a short film format. And the thing is, people are consuming so much of media these days. So people need good stories even in short formats. When you're traveling, you need
Right.
that 20 minutes of good storytelling. And it's not about 20 minutes of just watching something. You need to have, people want quality content. That's why filmmakers like Sujoy Ghosh, who made Helly of the same platform, people are doing so much, because filmmakers are coming out. Sujoy Ghosh, Neeraj Pandey made Ouch. Because short film itself is a strong medium now. It's a strong format now, where you can tell a story which you can't tell in a feature film. Because for a feature film, you need a broader story. But sometimes you come up with stories which are not that broad, but yet they are stories worth telling. So what do you do with that? You keep it in the folder which you never make, or you make a short film out of it. That's what I think short films are becoming about. You tell your stories equally in a equally passionate way as you do a feature film, but yet it's a short film.
Okay, Kritika, you know you were there in the industry for a long time on the small screen. Now you are coming on a short film. Are you eyeing Bollywood a big screen too?
I don't look at it like that actually. I want to do all mediums. I want to do everything. So I'll act. If I like the project, I'll do whatever it is. And this is not my first short film. I've done two before. And I really like this format, like he said. It's very interesting. And it's really about the story. And the format and everything is, the director's call. For me, whether it's TV or it's web or it's a short film, if I like the story and if I want to be a part of it, I'll do it. So I don't look at it like films and TV. I want to do everything. I'm greedy.
Kunal, while working on the project, what was the thing which touched you a lot? You feel like, yeah,
Sorry about this. Yeah, 1 second.
It's okay, no problem.
Yeah, sorry.
क्या छू गया आपको while work एक एक्टर खुद भी रियलाइज करता है कि हाँ यार ये होता है, ये हुआ है, या मैं रिलेट कर पा रहा हूँ इससे, या मैं
हाँ, मुझे लगता है सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी बात यही है, मैंने जैसे कह रहा था कि रिलेटेबिलिटी और एक अच्छी रोमांटिक पिक्चर, लेकिन रोमांटिक मतलब इन नॉट अ टिपिकल वे, इन सॉर्ट ऑफ अ टिपिकल वे। और दूसरा जो कैरेक्टर्स थे मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगे, बहुत रिलेटेबल लगे। सिचुएशंस ऐसी थी कि हम सब उन सिचुएशन से गुजर चुके हैं, इस तरह की सिचुएशन से, और इस तरह कभी कभार रिएक्ट भी किया हमने। तो आई फाउंड इट वेरी रिलेटेबल, एंड लाइक आई सेड अर्लियर इज दैट आई जस्ट फाउंड इट वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ऑल द अदर शॉर्ट फिल्म्स दैट वर आउट देयर। आई फेल्ट लाइक इट वाज नॉट अ फिल्म दैट वाज trying to be smart. I felt that in fact it was a film that had a lot of heart, which I think made it special.
Okay, Kunal, apart from towards there in the pipeline, which are the projects that you're working on?
Well, I just have a film that's up for release. It's called Veeram, the Malayalam film. We shot in 3 languages. The Malayalam version is up for release this Friday. The Hindi and English will release somewhere around the end of March. And I've also finished a film with Tigmanshu Dhulia. It's called Ragdesh. It's based on the Indian National Army. That should release at some point this year as well.
Okay, on a very positive note, अगर मैं कुणाल की बात करता हूँ तो रंग दे बसंती का जिक्र कभी भी जाएगा नहीं। रंग दे बसंती असलम पहचान रही है कुणाल।
जी।
क्या आप मानते हैं कहीं एज एन एक्टर की जो पोटेंशियल एज एन एक्टर आपके अंदर है, अभी भी ड्यू है, बहुत कुछ दे सकते हैं जो रिकग्नाइज नहीं करा गया है इंडस्ट्री?
जी, वो तो मुझे लगता है हर एक्टर को लगता है कि मुझे जिस तरह का काम मिलना चाहिए नहीं मिला है। मुझे ऐसा लगता था, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि अब बदल रहा है। द फिल्म्स दैट हैव डन इन द लास्ट ईयर, चाहे वो डियर जिंदगी हो, चाहे वीरम हो, चाहे रागदेश हो, जो सारे कैरेक्टर्स थे एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग थे और बहुत अच्छे फिल्म मेकर्स के साथ काम किया है। तो मुझे लगता है कि वो बदल रहा है। एक समय था रंग दे बसंती के बाद और आजा नचले और सब जो पिक्चरें आई थी उनके बाद के बहुत टिपिकल तरह के कैरेक्टर मिल रहे थे मुझे। अगर किसी को टेररिस्ट की ज़रूरत होती थी तो मुझे कास्ट किया जाता था, अगर किसी को कोई सेंसिटिव पोइट की ज़रूरत होती थी तो मुझे अप्रोच किया जाता था। तो एक टेंडेंसी होती है आपको स्टीरियोटाइप करने की, मुझे लगता है वो बदल रही है। और आई थिंक इट ऑल्सो हैज़ टू डू विद द फैक्ट दैट आई हैव बीन पेशेंट, you know, I haven't jumped into film after film because I always thought it was important to have quality over quantity, and I think that's sort of paying off now. So yeah, I feel like as an actor my time is now starting. ये कितना
Okay, Sumit, अब तक फिल्म आज हम देखने वाले हैं और अब तक आपने बॉलीवुड में किसी को दिखाई है और क्या रिस्पॉन्स रहा है?
ये सबका अच्छा लगता है। हिमांशु को हमने दिखाई थी फिल्म,
हाँ,
काफ़ी अच्छी
बहुत
लगी।
अच्छी लगी।
और हमने और काफ़ी लोगों को दिखाई, काफ़ी टाइम दिखाई है। विक्रम अडवाणी saw the film, he also liked it. A lot of people have really appreciated the film. So yeah, so far the response has been really good. We did a screening as well for our own cast and crew, and also we invited obviously our friends and people who matter to us. So everyone has been really liking the film, and special performances by Kritika and Kunal, and hopefully you guys will also like it.
Okay, the last one from my end, I believe someone going to ask you. What's the best compliment you got for the film? Both of you. During the screening, Tigmanshu came on board and he saw the film, he appreciated it as he said it was right.
He just said, "अच्छा है," like Himanshu says. अच्छा है, मस्त है। नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ कि कोई मतलब
हाँ, मतलब
कोई बाहर आया और रोते हुए गले लगा लिया कि वाह क्या काम किया
एक आदमी
तुमने।
एक जब फिल्म मेकिंग की हम बात
जी,
करते हैं, जब
जी।
दिग्मांशु या दिग्गज या कोई और फिल्म की हस्ती आती है तो अपना एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू जरूर रखते हैं कि
जी,
मुझे
एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि प्रीव्यूज में ज्यादातर कभी कभार होता है कि लोग आपको झूठ बोल देते हैं और कहते हैं कि अरे यार बहुत अच्छी
बिल्कुल।
पिक्चर है, ऑल द बेस्ट, बहुत मजा आया। लेकिन लकीली हमारे दोस्तों ने देखी और वो ऐसे लोग हैं जो अगर उनको कुछ पसंद ना आए तो वो
तो धज्जियां उड़ा देते हैं।
आपकी धज्जियां उड़ा देते हैं, बोलते हैं क्या किया तुमने, क्यों किया, कैसी एक्टिंग किया या क्या डायरेक्शन किया तुमने। तो उस तरह के दोस्त हैं हमारे लकीली, तो उन सबको अच्छी लगी बहुत। तो आई थिंक दैट इन इटसेल्फ वाज satisfying enough for all of us.
I think the film leaves you with a thought in the end. I mean, when you watch it, आपको पता चलेगा तो people were discussing it. लोग बाहर आए, उन्होंने डिस्कस किया कि
Right.
ऐसा क्यों हुआ, ये होना चाहिए था, नहीं होना चाहिए था. So I think that is
Correct.
like I think
Yeah,
some sort of a
that's true.
victory
Yeah.
कि people took it back home और उन्होंने उस चीज को डिस्कस किया कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ. So that involvement I think is the biggest compliment to the film.
करेक्ट, यू विल डिस्कस इट। इट्स नॉट अ फिल्म जो शायद मतलब आप
हाँ, मतलब आप देख के आप सोचेंगे कि
एक तो आप रिलेट करेंगे भाई, क्योंकि बहुत ही एज कुनाल और कृतिका सर की बहुत ही रिलेटेबल फिल्म है। कैरेक्टर्स बहुत रिलेटेबल हैं और इवन द सिचुएशन इज वेरी रिलेटेबल कि हाउ रिलेशनशिप्स ब्रेकअप एंड येट यू वांट टू बी विद ईच अदर। दैट होल सिचुएशन वेरी रिलेटेबल एंड द कैरेक्टर्स आर वेरी रिलेटेबल एंड इवन द हाउ द फिल्म पैंस आउट, यू विल डिस्कस इट कि यार ऐसा ही क्यों हुआ, ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो सकता था।
कि
So
क्या
that's-
किसने क्या सही किया, किसने क्या गलत
हाँ,
किया, as
सही क्या है,
characters.
गलत क्या है,
तो
वो-
that question
Correct.
comes in your
Will-
mind.
you will debate
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, one more last question and then we proceed to
ये जो बोलना था मुझे लगता है बस जस्ट आई थिंक इट्स लाइक आई सेड इट्स अ फिल्म दैट इज डिफरेंट, अ शॉर्ट फिल्म दैट इज it's very different from what you've seen before, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy it, you'll relate to it, and I'd love to see what the feedback of people is.
Yeah, it's different and yet it's very real for you. Like it's different and yet it's very relatable.